Get Rich Online, the ultimate 7-step wealth blueprint. Hey, moneymakers, welcome back to your channel name, where we turn your financial dreams into reality. And today, I'm spilling the tea on 7 secrets millionaires use to build wealth fast. And yes, these work in 2025. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or just want to level up your money game, this video is for you. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's get rich together. Oh, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. Imagine this: financial freedom, passive income rolling in, and a portfolio that grows while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Wrong. It's totally achievable, and I'm about to show you how. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're proven strategies used by the wealthiest people on the planet. Let's dive into the first secret. Secret number 1, your mindset is everything. Millionaires don't think like the average person. They see money as a tool, not a trap. Here's how to shift your mindset. Stop fearing money. If you're always stressed about bills, you're in scarcity mode. Start believing there's enough to go around. Set big goals. Want $1,000,000? Write it down, visualize it, and make a plan. And learn constantly. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Millionaire Next Door. Knowledge is your superpower. Action step: start a money journal today. Write down your financial goals and one limiting belief you'll crush this week. Trust me, this sets the foundation for everything else. Secret number 2, budget like a boss. Millionaires don't wing it, they track every dollar. Here's the deal: use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like Netflix or dining out, and 20% to savings or investments. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit to a high-yield savings account. Think 4% interest or more in 2025. Apps like YNAB or Mint make this super easy. Pro tip: review your budget weekly. It's not about restriction, it's about control. In the comments, tell me, what's one expense you can cut this month to boost your savings? Secret 3, get rid of debt like it's your ex's bad vibes. Debt is the biggest wealth killer. Here's how to crush it. Try the debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first for quick wins. Or use the debt avalanche method. Tackle high-interest debts first to save money long-term. For example, if you've got a $5,000 credit card balance at 18% interest, paying it off is like earning an 18% return on your money. Insane, right? Action step: pick one debt today, make a plan, and throw every extra dollar at it. Let's get that weight off your shoulders. Secret 4, invest early, invest often. Time is your best friend in wealth building. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts grow big. For example, $100 a month invested at 8% annual return could be $150,000 in 30 years. Here's how to start. Open a low-cost brokerage account. Think Vanguard or Fidelity. Invest in index funds or ETFs like the S&P 500. They're safe, diversified, and beat most active traders. If you're new, try micro-investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Pro tip: set up automatic investments every month. It's like paying your future self. Drop A in the comments if you're ready to start investing. Secret 5, don't rely on one income. Millionaires have multiple streams. Think side hustles, rentals, or dividends. In 2025, it's easier than ever. Start a side hustle. Drive for Uber, sell on Etsy, or freelance on Upwork. Invest in dividend stocks for passive income. Consider real estate crowdfunding for as little as $500. Real story: my friend Sarah started a blog and made $2,000 a month in just 1 year. Action step: brainstorm one side hustle you can start this week. Share it in the comments. I'm curious. Secret 6, protect your wealth. Millionaires don't just build wealth, they keep it. Here's how. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses. Use a high-yield savings account. Get insurance, health, renters, or life insurance. It's your safety net. And avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you get a raise doesn't mean you need a new car. Fun fact: 70% of millionaires live below their means. Be like them. Action step: save $500 for emergencies this month. It's a game changer. Secret 7, surround yourself with winners. Your network is your net worth. Millionaires hang out with people who inspire them to level up. Join online communities like Reddit's Our Financial Independence or X's finance groups. Attend local meetups or webinars on investing. Find a mentor who's where you want to be. I met my mentor at a finance conference, and it changed my life. Action step: follow 5 finance influencers on X today and engage with their posts. Who's your favorite money guru? Drop their name below. There you have it, 7 secrets to build wealth fast in 2025. To recap: master your mindset, budget like a boss, crush debt, invest early, diversify income, protect your wealth, and network with winners. Start with just one of these today, and you're already ahead of 90% of people. Which secret are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more money tips every week. Check out my free budgeting template in the description and join our newsletter for exclusive wealth hacks. Let's make 2025 your richest year yet. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, Moneymakers. Stay smart, stay wealthy, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. Subscribe and click link in the description below to order the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. Get rich, get successful online.